What is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. Another Miui 12 based modded Miui 12 ROM available for a lot of devices including Redmi Note 7, Redmi Note 8 and some other devices including GSIs. How this ROM works, this is Miui 12 Javanese which has a lot of customization features. Which are those customization features which I like about this build? First of all, this recent UI. This looks pretty cool, damn cool, and this is one of the main highlights behind using this build on my device right now. And yes, you should install this build for sure. For some devices it's a ported ROM, for some devices it's a GSI, so yes, you might face some bugs, but it's not guaranteed. Maybe you'll love this build for sure. Control center looks pretty cool and all the things are pretty fine right now. Let's take a look all the features of Miui 12 Javanese. First of all, it's a Miui 12 based ROM, so yes, it has all the features of Miui 12 right now. Let me show you which is this. This is a Miui 12.1 Javanese 0.1.3 ESTJV stable version for my Redmi Note 8, which has a September security patch. Let me show you, it has the latest September security patch based on Android version 10. And almost all the main kind of things which I was expecting are perfectly fine here. This ROM includes a lot of customizations, which is the main highlight of this build. Let's take a look at all those customizations one by one. Guys, I'm just gonna share with you all the features of this Miui 12 Javanese ROM, because if you need full review regarding Miui 12 features or the things you might get here, I already made a video some times ago and a lot of videos already are present on YouTube. I'm just gonna share with you Miui 12 Javanese ROM features so that you'll get an idea why this is one of the perfect ROM available based on Miui 12, one of the unique ROMs available here. First of all, the customization which I liked about this build is themes and server option. This is first and one of the great features out there on Miui 12 Javanese ROM. You can adjust your theme server to global or Chinese. So if you choose a global version and when you open the theme store, you'll get this kind of theme store available, which you might get in Miui 12, Miui 11 or Miui 10. And if you choose the Miui theme server to Chinese this time, open theme store, and then you will get to see this Chinese theme store available here, where you will get to see themes, wallpapers and a lot more things. And this is kind of very interesting things. So it depends upon you, whichever theme store you need on your device. So if you are a global lover, you can simply choose the global version and open the theme store and apply any themes from there. And if you want to choose a Chinese theme store, you can simply enable the theme store right now from here and enable the Chinese themes. I'll recommend you to use the Chinese theme store, because the Chinese theme store, the latest Chinese theme store, has all the themes based on Miui 12, so you'll get easily all the themes if you want to. But in global theme store, I don't think so it has a Miui 12 themes available. But yes, it's not anything, no issues at all. You can still use them if you want to. It has very cool customization features, which includes the DPI, which is the first feature. So the DPI which you want to adjust on a device, you can adjust that. Some guys like the smaller DPI instead of the default one, some guys the larger DPI instead of the default one. So this is a very cool option. You can simply click here, adjust DPI, whatever DPI you want, so that you will be able to experience a very good thing in your device in Miui 12. Also, the best thing is the pip size, which means the picture-in-picture mode option available. Also, you can adjust the size to medium, large or extra large, so that you will feel comfortable while watching the videos in picture-in-picture, which is a very cool kind of thing. Pop-up animation is also one of my favorite features. So whenever you get a pop-up, you can adjust that animation to translucent, grow fade or whatever else you want to do. Another cool thing is screenshot in any app. Some apps just reports you, some apps just does not support the screenshot on their apps. You will not be able to take screenshots on that app. But yes, with the help of this feature, you will be able to take screenshots in some protected apps like the banking apps or anything wherever you want to take screenshots. This is one of the best features, and this was available in some other ROMs also, but yes, in Miui 12 Javanese it's also present there. Control center and status bar also has a lot of customizations. First of all, you can switch the control center side as expected, as I was expecting also, but it has a long press on the internet button in the curtain option customization. So whenever you long press the internet button in the curtain which is in the control center. You can adjust the mobile network or you can adjust the network type. So this is also a choice which you can use. Number of toggles in minimized old shade and number of toggles in expanded old shade. Old shade, which means yes, if you don't want to use a new control center, you can customize your old control center, old notification panels, notification shades, and through which you can adjust the toggles numbers or 5, 4, 3 or whatever else you want to do. Notification icons you can adjust, and other things include the hide notch, which I already have enabled this option. And this is a very cool feature, show 5G icon for 4G. Actually I've enabled the Wi-Fi icon, that's why it's not showing you, but yes, if you're using 4G, it will show you the 5G icon so that you can prank your friends or relatives or whatever you want to do. You can also choose the sim icon style to horizontally or vertically. So if you're using a dual sim like me, you can adjust these icons to vertically also if you want to. Battery indicator customizations, and you can hide some icons from the status bar if you want to. And here you can see others, so it has other customization features options are available too, which includes the blur ratio in expanded status bar and blur ratio in the control center. Colors which you can adjust, the text size you can adjust, show date in the status bar. So whatever else you want to do, you can choose whatever else you want to. This is a very cool kind of thing which has a lot of features, and I personally choose this build a lot of times whenever I want customizations on my device. Another cool thing which I already shown you previously is this recent panel, which looks damn cool and damn interesting. And this is the recent panel. I don't think so you get in other custom ROMs, especially based on MIUI 12, which looks very cool, very interesting, and that gives your device a very perfect, minimalistic and stylish look for your device. That looks very cool. Other things, it has all the MIUI 12 based features, like whenever you open the app drawer, you have the app drawer option available, and you can simply enable your home settings right now from here by going to settings, and you have all the main settings. But also it has a little bit of more option like the home screen layout, which you can adjust up to 7:8 from 4:5. So anything, any layout you want to use, you can choose that one. That's kind of an interesting thing. You can choose the Google Discover menu or App Vault menu, so that whatever you feel comfortable, you can choose that one. Other things, the home screen with app drawer, without app drawer, which is perfectly working here also as expected. Other things, kind of a same thing, nothing new. Whatever else you want to do, you have all these kind of things. We have the Viper for Android, which is pre-installed. This is kind of a very interesting thing in my case, because sometimes I use Viper, I'm not a fan of Viper for Android, but some guys just love to use these kind of things. So this is also interesting thing available. All the things are same, nothing else. I just wanted to share with you some customizations which you get in MIUI 12 Javanese. So if you want to install this build, I'll provide the link in the description for all the supported devices, so that you'll be able to use these kind of things on a device. These are some advanced features I just wanted to share with you. I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.